Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Mazda 3 SP25 hatch, stock reference number 5004. The shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand side skirt. This vehicle has hail damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the left tailgate garnish, right tailgate garnish, rear spoiler. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right-hand side skirt, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, dual zone heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type with sunroof type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.